Ask any tech. He or she will tell you they own tools of all kinds. Some are used all the time. Some are needed for certain jobs. These are the specialty tools, tools that are fitted for a limited purpose. But without them, the job is next to impossible. Where does a tech turn to when searching for that specialty tool? OTC. OTC has been making tools for techs for nearly 100 years. And today, OTC is growing its service tools portfolio with 10 new products, covering a wide range of GM vehicles. Uses for the new collection include preventing leaks by properly removing and installing crankshaft rear seals using OTC tools number 6740 and 6741, better diagnosis of engine oil system issues using OTC tool number 7297, and smoother replacement of engine drive belts using OTC tool number 6725. Also included in this latest release are specialty tools that make removing injectors from the cylinder head without damaging the injector body a breeze. Quickly troubleshooting engine performance problems by testing diesel fuel quality, and gaining easy access to the vehicle's EVAP system. All are designed for more efficient repairs to popular GM brands. For more info, contact your local OTC dealer or visit www.otctools.com.